Another option to create workflows is through AI Assistant. And so the idea here is that you can describe what you want in natural language, and then with the use of AI assistants, you can create these workflows. To create workflows with AI Assistant, you still create an empty workflow first, provide it a name, and then this opens the designer where you see all the options. So here you also see the option for Copilot. When you click on it, it opens the side panel, and this is where you can start describing what you want and then let the Copilot work on it. So here I'm going to create a workflow to provide the weather forecast for a location, and then select generate. When the assistant works on the request, it might come back with clarification questions. And so here it's asking which weather source should I use for the forecast data. So here I know I want to use the out of box managed connector for the MSN weather. And so I'm picking that choice. In the chat, we can see all the steps that the copilot, the assistant, is taking in order to prepare for the workflow and then create the workflow. If you expand on one of these steps, you can actually see more details. So here is the workflow that gets created. It starts with the request trigger, and if the location is provided in the trigger, then the forecast is generated for the provided location and then it is returned in the response. If it is not provided, then the copilot also added the failure path here where it returns the response indicating that the location is missing. At this point, you can run this workflow or further interact with the assistant to add more steps to this workflow. So, this is a great option when you want to build workflows iteratively and leverage AI assistant to help with the creation of the workflow.